That's the idea.
In the bucket.
In the bucket. That's it.
And some more.
Yeah, keep coming.
And some more. More.
It's actually icy, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, it is.
Some more. A bit more.
Proper chilly. It's icy. Should be too much salt to be icy.
Some more.
They're
They're down there. They're coming this way now. Some more.
Come on, keep it coming. Right, lads. A bit more. Yeah.
Come on, keep going. Bite your nose, yeah, that's it.
Good.
Oh, that's a big spade.
That's a good one. Right, let's tuck it all down a bit, shall we? We need another spade for you, Alex.
Some more.
Some more. That's the idea. A bit more still. One more. Right, shall we see? Hands down. What do you think? Dad, or is that enough?
Yeah, that's it.
You think that's enough? Shall I turn it up? Yes?
Tell you what, we need to pat the top of it or the bottom of it, or turn it upside down.
Turn it up?
Yeah.
Ready? Pat the bottom.
Well, pat it.
Pat the bottom. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. So, okay, that's enough, Alex.
Okay.
Ready, here it comes.
Yay!
It's a black
See,
and brown
better.
one.
No, it didn't. You monster.
Fantastic.
Don't destroy the castle.
It's fun to try.
Yeah.
Do you want to do a big one?
Higher one. Well, I have to do two in that case. Have we got time? Yes, come on. Bang it in. Come on, shove it in. And again. That's the idea. Oh, this is hard work, isn't it? Let's just tuck this bit down in. There we go. And another. Oh, the second act arrived. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. You're not cold, are you, Callum? Well, run around then.
Callum went on the ice and he couldn't understand what was happening because his paws kept going. This is nice. This is nice sound for you to choose.
It's brilliant, isn't it? It's good, isn't it? Excellent.